Dear students, welcome to the classroom. In previous video, we have learned the definition and functions of a computer. And today we are going to learn the parts of a computer. So watch the video carefully. Dear students, the main functions of a computer are input, processing, output. So a computer might be made up of devices that are used for input, processing and output. A computer is made of 5 main devices: keyboard, mouse, CPU box, monitor and printer. Each of these devices has a special function to perform. Dear students, the keyboard and the mouse are used to enter data into the computer. They are used for input and so they are called input devices. CPU means Central Processing Unit. The CPU processes the input to give the output and so it is called the Central Processing Unit CPU. The monitor displays the output produced by the CPU. The printer is used to print the output on paper. Both these devices are used for output and so they are called output devices. Now we will see the input devices. Dear students, the keyboard and the mouse are used to enter data into the computer and so they are called input devices. Keyboard. Dear students, the keyboard is a flat rectangular plastic board with many buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. There are more than 100 keys on the keyboard. Some of these keys are letter keys, number keys, mathematical signs, punctuation marks, and some other signs. Data entered with the help of the keyboard can be seen on the monitor. When you press a letter key or a number key on the keyboard, it appears at a specific place on the screen. The keyboard is connected to the CPU box with a cable or without cable. Mouse. The mouse is a small plastic device with 2 or 3 buttons on it. It is kept and moved on a mouse pad. The mouse is used to point to a particular place on the screen and so it is also known as the pointing device. Nowadays all the instructions or commands are present on the screen of the computer. If you want to give a particular command to the computer, you just have to point the mouse on that command and press or click the mouse button. Holding the mouse. Place your right palm on the mouse in such a way that your finger is on the left button and the middle finger is on the right button. The thumb and the remaining 2 fingers hold the mouse on entire side. Remember, you normally use only the left mouse button. When you quickly press and release a mouse button, you hear a click sound and so the action of pressing a mouse button is known as clicking. So dear students, in this video we have learned about input devices and in next video we will learn about Central Processing Unit and output devices. So watch the video carefully.